Hey, what's going on YouTube? Sean here with ERA Real Estate, and today we are going to be looking at a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, a single family ranch style home today, 309 Park Avenue in Warren, PA 16365. It's a beautiful little house, perfect for if you're going to do like a little investment or have a small little family in here as well too. House just listed on the MLS, been on there for a couple of days now, going for $99,900. So without further ado, we're going to take a sneak peek and look around this house for you guys, so you know what you're getting into. Hey, well, YouTube, welcome back. We are actually in the place, and I want to shout out to JC Real Estate and the seller for allowing me to do a tour of this home for you guys, so that way we can attract a well-qualified buyer. So we have cash, conventional, FHA, VA up for grabs for this property. So if that $99,900 sounds all right for you for this place, for a single family, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, you get a nice little laundry room, and then we will take a look out here on the rear entrance that we came in is a nice little balcony. So starting right behind me here, we have a nice little living room space. So nice, is a pretty decent size for a single family residence here. Looking at this door here, that's when you come in, the side entrance that's on your left. It's a nice little closet area, not crazy big, but well enough to be able to just to store the things that you need. Going in here is our kitchen area. So nice little eat-in area. It's got a nice little wraparound little counter area for you. So plenty of space, nice little decent size for your eating area. And then you got plenty of space to walk around. You can put an island in here as well if that's something that you would like to do. In here, this is actually the main entrance area. When you walk in, you have your laundry room right to your right hand side. You can access the water heater. It looks like you have your electric box right there as well too. As you can see, the floor here is a pretty nice kind of flooring. This flooring is throughout from here, from the entrance to the kitchen, down the hallway, and here on your side entrance as well. This is updated flooring as well too. Really nice. I think it goes well with this type of household. It looks like wood, but it's probably some kind of vinyl. The exterior is vinyl as well too. Going in here, we have our first bedroom here on the left hand side. It's pretty decent. So all the rooms, I believe there's 2 11x8s, and then the master bedroom is an 11x14. All the bedrooms here have a small little closet area, except for the master bedroom has slightly a little bit bigger of a closet to store your stuff in. So this is the first bedroom. And then go in here. So the first room that is going to be on the right hand side down the hallway is actually your full bathroom. So you just go in here, you can see that you have your shower, you have the toilet, you have the sink, nice well-maintained sink on here as well too. Looks kind of updated on there, but seller didn't disclose if that was kind of updated, but still well-maintained on there. And then here you have a little storage area. You have like a 3-4 shelf storage area for all your toiletries and bathroom needs on here. Going down further down the hallway, we have our first master bedroom, which is actually the only one. But this is your biggest bedroom in the house, of course. So nice, a little decent size. You could definitely put a king size bed in here if you wanted to. Definitely make it comfy on here. Nice little carpeting. You can definitely change that up if you want to as well. And then, as I said, you have a little bit of a bigger closet to store all your stuff in. I like the doors, how they kind of match and not like white or anything. They have kind of a style to them that you can just slide them open. And then here we go, we have our third bedroom, and we have a nice little bedroom area slash office, whatever you want to turn it into. And there you go, there is your walk-in as well too. So we are going to go out and we are going to take a look at the balcony, take a look at the property as well too on the outside of it. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we are outside. It is such a beautiful day out here. Love the spring here in PA in general, but Warren, PA is just, it's a nice little area. I tell you, I love it so much. So here we have the balcony, as you saw. Did a little slow-mo for you on the side, the front and the side of the house on here. We're about to take a look at the back of the house on there. So total square feet of the lot is 7,405 square feet. I believe you have a 0.17 square acres of total land property here, and then so you see we are in the back side of the house now. I have a nice little cellar crawl space area, and then you have a decent sized medium little backyard as well too. But the nicest feature out here is of course your nice little patio area, where you have your side entrance door on there, and then you can sit down, have a little barbecue, little picnic area, a nice little area to relax as well too. So thank you guys for coming on this tour for me. If you guys are interested in or in the market into buying a single family 3-bedroom 1 full bath house, $99,900 is the listing asking price from the seller. Remember, VA, FHA, conventional or cash are all options that the seller is willing to put on with it. And then we also have a nice little porch that you can sit out here as well too. So but like I was saying, my name, my number, and an email address is going to be in the link below. If you have any questions or if you're interested in the property, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message, shoot me an email, guys. And thank you so much for going on this tour with me. Smash that like button, follow, subscribe. We're gonna have plenty more videos coming your way. And yeah, guys, you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.